The African elephant is a herbivorous animal. It feeds on herbs, leaves, and fruits, measuring from 3 to 4 meters. Its weight can vary from 4 to 7 tons. It can start breeding around the age of 12. The gestation period is 20 months, and the female can only give birth to a baby elephant. This elephant is found in Africa, and its habitat is in the savannas and the forests near the water. The African elephant is the largest land mammal. It differs from its Asian cousin by its ears much bigger and its long tusks. It is extremely threatened because of the ivory trade. It is estimated that 35,000 African elephants are killed each year. Representing a population of less than 500,000 individuals, it could have completely disappeared in 2025. The African elephant has a lifespan of about 70 years, and the man is his only predator.